common issue with Honda Accords, and this is a 2004 Honda Accord. The gear shift button, made of plastic, breaks and pops off. First thing you got to do is back behind the shifter itself. There's two screws here, right there. That is a bit of a tight fit, and if you're in the situation I am, I can't shift it all the way down to first, so that way I can get back behind there. So I have this handy little ratchet piece. Very small, not very tight, so you don't need to put a lot of oomph into it. Now that we got that off, this will just slide right off. Just like that. This piece right here will just pry right off. I got it all cleaned up. And for your replacement part, it's actually a very easy part to obtain. It's a Doorman part, Shifter Knob Repair, part number 76848. They got it at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and NAPA. And there's your new piece there. We'll slide it in there and then push the button in, so that way it's rests right down on there. However, first thing we need to get some lubricant for this. And for lubricant, I suggest using the white lithium grease. Best thing for it. For those of you who live in climates like Alaska, prevents rust, so that's what you want to use. Just gonna dab it on there. Alright, so we'll put it on there. So you want that angled part facing towards the wheel. You want the slope part of the button going that way. And then make sure you cleared out all the bits and pieces that are in there. The spring here is going to go right down there on that little, right down in there. We're going to stick some lubricant onto this. Now, go ahead and put that in there. That's better. We're going to put this back on. Here, click right back into place. Alright, now, when you put it in there, you're going to have to push the button in so that way it slides into the slot in there. There we go. Now I just got to put the screws back in. Now that I got it working again, I can pull it all the way down to first and put the screws back in. Make it a whole lot easier.